In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your ChatGPT account 2026 guide. Before you press delete, there are a few critical things to handle. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, cancel that mobile subscription in your phone's settings first. Deleting your OpenAI account does not stop third-party billing, so take a minute to deactivate the subscription where you originally purchased it. Next, decide whether you need a copy of your chats or settings. Deletion is permanent and can't be undone. If you want an archive, open ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Data Controls, and choose Export Data. You'll receive a file with your information. Finally, make sure you've logged in recently. The delete option only appears if you've signed in within the last 10 minutes. If it's been longer, simply sign out and sign back in to refresh your session. Now let's do this on a web browser. Sign in to ChatGPT, click your profile icon in the top right corner and open Settings. Go to the Account section. Find the Delete Account area and click Delete. You'll be asked to type your account email and the word delete into the fields provided. This unlocks the final button labeled Permanently Delete My Account. Review the warnings carefully, then confirm when you're ready. Once you confirm, the process begins and your access ends immediately. On mobile, the steps are similar. On iOS, open the ChatGPT app, go to Account Settings, tap Data Controls, and select Delete Account. On Android, open the side menu, tap the three dots next to your name, go into Settings, then Data Controls, and tap Delete Account. The labels and placement may vary slightly by app version, so make sure you're running the latest update. But the path is the same: Settings, Data Controls, Delete. Here's what happens after you confirm. OpenAI typically deletes your data within 30 days, unless certain information must be kept longer for legal reasons. After your account is fully purged, you may be able to create a new account using the same email address. Keep in mind that deletion is immediate from an access standpoint. You'll lose entry to ChatGPT, the OpenAI API, and any other linked services right away. If you didn't cancel a mobile subscription beforehand, your App Store billing can continue independently, so double check that it's turned off. And that's it. Deleting your account is a big step, so make sure you've exported anything important and taken care of mobile billing before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you